Good day, guys. Today on trigonometry, I'll be talking about the addition formula. When we talk about the addition formula of trigonometry, there are some certain things you have to take into consideration. And what are those things? For example, if we want to add two angles, let's say you want to find the value of, let's say, sine 45, you will need to remember your knowledge of the simple acute angles, that is angle within 0 and 90 degree, and also the compound angles. So when I say angles between 0 and 90, this is what I'm talking about. Remember, we have the special angles where we have 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, then addition of any of these, that is 90 plus 15, 105 degrees, the process continue. So these are the basic that gives a good foundation of this topic. So when we talk about the first example, which says evaluate the value of sine 75 degree in surd form. 75 has to be an addition, and the addition has to be addition that can be gotten from the special angles of surd. For example, 75 can simply be addition of 45 and 30, and it could be addition of 60 and 15, but 15 degrees will take you to another long step which we don't have on this special angle. So which means you have to use what you have to find what you need to calculate. So I can simply use 45 and 30 for 75. So if that is the case, you can simply say the first one, which is sine 75 degrees, is the same thing as saying sine 30 degrees plus 45 degrees, simply because 30 degrees plus 45 degrees is still 75 degrees. So if that is the case, in special angle, you have to record this expression. Sine A plus B is the same thing as saying sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So if that is it, I will take it as I see it. So the first one is A and the second one is B. So that is sine A. Sine A means sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degree times cos B. Cos B is 45 degrees plus cos A. What is my cos A? My cos A is simply cos 30 degrees. A is 30 times what? Sine B, which is sine 45 degrees. So if that is it, sine 30 from special angles is 1 over 2 times cos 45 from special angles is root 2 divided by 2 plus cos 30 is the same thing as saying root 3 over 2, which is having the same value as sine 60, times sine 45 is having the same value as cos 45, which is root 2 divided by 2. So when I multiply this one, this should give me this side. Let me continue the solution here. That is, I will have it that 1 times root 2, that is root 2 divided by 2 times 2, which is 4, plus root 3 times root 2, that is root 6 divided by 4. So when you look for the LCM, this is the same thing as saying 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 times root 2 plus root 6. And this is the final answer or the solution for this expression, sine 75 degrees. So let's look at the second one on the list, which is cos 75 degrees. Let me quickly clean this sample. Okay, so cos 75 degrees. Cos 75 degrees is the same thing as saying cos 30 degrees plus 45 degrees. And cos 30 degrees is the expression for cos A plus B is this one. So that is simply cos 30 degrees times, that is cos A cos B times cos 45 degrees minus sine A, that is sine 30 degrees times sine 45 degrees, which is going to give me cos 30 is having the same value as sine 60, which is root 3 over 2, times cos 45, which is root 2 over 2, minus sine 30, which is 1 over 2, times sine 45, which is root 2 over 2. So when I multiply this one by continue the expression here, so that will be root 3 times root 2, that is root 6, divided by 2 times 2, which is 4, then minus 1 times root 2, which is root 2, divided by 2 times 2, which is 4. When you take the LCM, that is 1 over 4, open bracket, root 6 minus root 2, and that is the solution for that. So when I look at the other one, sine 15 degrees, let's quickly take that as well. So for sine 15 degrees, I will have it that sine 15 degrees is equals to the negative, that's the same thing as saying sine 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Since 45 minus 30 will still give me 15, so I can use the negative aspect, and which is this sine A cos B, that is sine 45 times cos B, that is cos 30 degrees, minus cos A, which is cos 45, 45 degrees times sine b, which is sine 30 degrees. So sine 45 is root 2 over 2 in short form, times cos 60 is root 3 over 2 minus cos 45 is root 2 over 2 times sine 30, which is 1 over 2. So when I move this one further, this will simply give me root 2 times root 3, that is root 6, divided by 2 times 2, 4, minus root 2 over 4. And the same expression should land me into the solution of 1 over 4 multiplied by root 6 minus root 2. So that is the solution for this. So with that, I think I have solved all. Let me introduce to cos 15 as well. So let's look at cos 15 also. Cos 15 degrees. So cos 15 degrees is the same thing as saying cos 45 degrees minus 30 degrees, and that is cos A cos B, which is this cos A cos B plus sine A sine B, and that will simply give me cos 45 degrees times what? Cos 30 degrees, plus sine 45 degrees times sine 30 degrees. And that is cos 45 will give me root 2 over 2 times cos 30 will give me root 3 divided by 2 plus sine 45 is root 2 over 2 times sine 30, which is 1 over 2. So when I move this further here also, that will simply give me root 6, that is root 2 times root 3, root 6 divided by 2 times 2, which is 4, plus root 2 times 1, that is root 2, divided by 2 times 2, and that is 4. The LCM will give me 1 over 4 times root 6 plus root 2 as the final answer. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and then comment, like my video, share the video. I would like to see your comments. Anything you want me to talk more, please kindly drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you.